Hello everyone, in today's video you will learn how to pin a post on Facebook. The first thing to do is to open the Facebook app icon on your phone. Then you navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture. You scroll down to find the post you want to pin to the top of your profile. Then tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the post. A menu will appear. You tap on Pin Post to confirm your action. Now, the post is now pinned to the top of your profile. That's it. Now, anyone who visits your profile will see the pinned post at the top. You can also unpin it by doing the same process. You tap on the three dots and click on Unpin Post. Thanks for watching the video. Do well to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye.